Erica from Phillips Ranch, California, has a question about tile.
She does indeed. Hers are popping up in her living room like this.
Ah.
I think that could be that there's a superhero starting to come out from underneath there, maybe, or maybe the underworld reaching up through your living room.
Maybe a bad installer.
Eric writes, I haven't seen this before. It's happening. What should I do?
You're going to have to replace the tile. Obviously, the floor is going to have to be replaced if it's popping up. If you have some extra tiles, we've talked about it, you can replace just the tiles.
Well, what would cause it, though?
One thing, I probably think it's poor installation. They didn't set the tile properly in the thin set. The other thing is, and it comes back down to poor installation, is they laid it too tight to the walls. And when it lays really tight to the walls and your walls expand and contract, it'll put pressure on it somewhere and make some of the tiles pop. Real common, more common in real humid areas. I'm not sure about California where you are, but you've been getting some rains out there lately, so maybe your house is reacting to the weather patterns. I'm not sure. But it usually goes down to the installation. It wasn't done real well.
So you have to pull the tile up. So the good news is you get to change the look of that room.
Yeah, the one thing people need to realize is that you can't just go buy the same looking tile over and over again. They change the patterns about every 36 months.
So look forward to that shopping trip. And hire a better installer.
Yeah, I think it's an install problem.
All right, you got questions? Send it to us. We'll answer it just like that. Like these over here, like these videos. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. Hey, help us out. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you doing that.